Hey guys, it's Fanny. Welcome back to Treasure DlY. Since this wood was for an old pallet, I had to use the sander, especially on the edges, to smooth it out a little bit because it was very rough. So now let's go ahead and get started. Here are the materials that we will need. 2 plant hangers from dollar store, antique wax or stain, any color you want, a wood glue, and 2 small extra pieces of wood, and a brush or piece of fabric, and also our main a drill. So now I use the wood glue and glue all my wood pieces together. So first I start with the 2 large pieces. I place it in place and then I glue my small pieces on the edges just to give you a better support, I guess. So now I added a nails to reinforce the wood. And now we're ready to apply the wax. So I use a small piece of fabric to apply the wax. So here I was finishing with the wax, and that's how it looks like. And now we just have to let it dry. So after the wax dry is how it looks like, and then I apply a coat of varnish to give you a finished look. You have to let it dry. So that's how it looks like when it's dry. So this part is an optional. I was thinking about just a shelf, but at the end I ending at the hooks. Okay, the process with the stain and the varnish. So here is my extra piece ready for screwing the hooks. So here I was using the ruler just to make sure that I would have the same space between the hooks. I just mark it down just to make sure where I have to screw it. So now I'm going to start to screw in, and I'm going to do the same with the rest of the hooks. So here's the first hook, and that is the way it looks. So repeat this step. So here is how it looks. So now I'm going to be using a wood glue. I was finishing applying the glue, and then I will be placing my piece. And because I added too much glue, I ending cleaning a lot the excess of glue. So make sure don't use too much like that. You don't have to be deal with that part. And also after you clean the excess, or make sure that you have your piece in place, just let it dry and don't touch it anymore, at least for a day, overnight. Don't do that. Don't be impatient like me. So just let it dry and wait till the next day, and we'll be ready to keep continuing with the project. So here we have the plants hangers, and I will be using my drill to make an extra 2 holes, just right there. And here is how it looks. So now we were ready to screw in the hangers. We have our beautiful shelf using leftover pallet. Here is the end result. I'm really in love with my shelf, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. So see you next time. Bye bye.